Hey Laura, this is Brandon, just shooting that screencast over to you like I promised. In this video, I'm just going to go over three tips that can hopefully get you, um, positioned better with your website. Instead of being on page two, we get you up and on the top of page one there to get you the most traffic. The three things I'm going to go over are content on your website, citations, and backlinks. This is going to be pretty quick, so I look at your site here. And as far as content goes, Google kind of looks for a bunch of different things, content being a big one, and they're looking for at least 1,500 words of relevant content, that has to do with the industry that you're in. So looking over this, obviously there's some things you can do here to put some more relative content on your page here. Um, and this is for the home page, not counting your back pages and things like this. So your home page is going to want to see a few more uh, words of content, and inside that content they look for keywords. So when people search for new tires or engine repair, auto repair, you want those keywords put into that content. So when people are looking for what they want done, the keywords in your content, Google sees that, and sees that your website is relevant for what they're searching for. So hope that helps there. The second thing there that we touch on is the citations, and the citations are what's going to put you in this map pack. And if we type into Google, if you look up here like auto repair Green Bay, and you scroll the first four, it's usually three, but this one has four because there's an ad in there. The first three businesses are going to be in this map pack because they're dominating the keywords, the content, the citations, the backlinks. So the big thing with the citations, um, that kind of gets you on the map pack. And what that is anywhere that your business is advertised with the exact name of the business, phone number, email address, plastered all around on different things like Yelp or Yellow Pages, or anywhere that your business is advertised, Facebook, things like that. So the more citations you have, um, the more relevant you're going to be for when they search in here that you come up on this map pack. I did put you into a program we have about 60 bucks a month. We pay for this. It's called White Spark. You'll see that you got 37 citations here, which is pretty good compared to your competition. But once again, this all ties in with the content, the backlinks, and things like that. So we're sitting good on citations. I always like to crush the competition by a good, whatever they got. If Auto Clinic Green Bay's got 32, I want to see it, us at 60. So, some things you can do there. Anywhere you can get your name, just as it's listed on Google. Anywhere else, you're going to get another citation. So there's some stuff you can do there to help you out as well. And then the third thing we look at is what's called backlinks. And for backlinks and things like that, we use a program called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is about 500 bucks a month to use. Probably not relevant for you, but for what I do, obviously we need this. Your company pulling up here, you guys got 24 backlinks. What a backlink is anytime you go to a different website and they have links that if somebody clicks on it, reverts back to your website. So you want to have links on other people's sites to when they click on it, it goes back to your site, and vice versa. You want links, believe it or not, on your site that would link to a brake shop or another tire manufacturing company where you maybe get your tires from. Google looks at this and says, boy, that website is it's legitimate. It's linking people to all, even if this company can't help them, two companies that could potentially help them. It gives you power over here. There's typically two numbers here out of a 100-point scale. Those two numbers, the power of the backlink and how many backlinks um, kind of shows you that there. So you got 24 backlinks, 14 referring domains. Your keywords. So these are the keywords that we talked about that you want to have in your content, and you want them to be keywords that people are, searching for with relevancy. So if somebody wants a new set of tires, we want new tires, Green Bay, or whatever it is that you're searching for, that you want people to come in. Obviously, you probably want people to come in with the highest rate of return for your company. So whatever that may be, those are the keywords you want in your content. And this shows here that you're generating about 156 um, people clicking on your website a month. If we take a different company like one of the higher organic searches, page one of Google, you got this Huron Automotive. You can see that they got 633 backlinks compared to your 24, 96 referring domains. They got thousands of keywords, and they bring in about 1,000 people to their website a month. So you can see what the difference between page two and page one of Google do. Um, they roughly get 90% more uh, you know, people coming to their website. So even if you can turn a couple of those people into prospects and future clients and returning customers, that's going to do a lot for your bottom line. So hopefully these tips and tricks helped you out a little bit. Um, I'm going to shoot this over in an email. All I ask is that you respond with great, appreciate it, thanks for the tips, or this was a waste of time, don't ever bother me again. It really doesn't matter to me. I just want to know that you got this, and that you took a peek at it and everything went well. If you do decide to reach back out, that'd be great. Would love to help you out if you're looking to move forward and grow your business. But if not, that's okay too. I won't waste any more of your time. Thanks, Laura.